Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your photographer business. If you are a photographer, then manually responding to all the queries and sending pricing packages can be a very time consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send prices and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for photographer business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general hi. And a chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Moonlight Photography. Let's make your moments timeless. How can I help you today?" And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says check availability. And our chatbot responds us with, "Please share preferred date." So here I'm going to send my preferred date like this. Next, it is asking for location. So I'm going to send a general response as Bali. I'll confirm my availability on this given date for Bali in a moment. Next, I'm going to click on view packages. And it responds us with, here are my top packages, basic 5,000 rupees and premium 10,000 rupees. And lastly, I'm going to click on sample work. And our chatbot responds us with images of the sample work. And here it has also provided us a clickable link to the full photography portfolio. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Photographer Business. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and it can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. From here, you can choose any template to send to the user. And now we are going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I am going to add a welcome message. Like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Here we have added little asterisk signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. With the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options such as this. Now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option, so let's begin with check availability. And for this, I'm going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place the question box here, and here I'm going to add check availability. Please share preferred date. So here in the contact custom field, I'm going to select date, and as format, I'm going to select date. You can provide multiple number of attempts or a validation message. I'm going to leave it empty. And then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, then check the link in the description box. Now I'm going to curate another question, and here I'm going to ask for location. Like this. Now I'm going to link it to the question box, and here I'm going to add contact custom field as address, and as format I'm going to select any. Lastly, I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add this message which will appear like this to the user. Here we have added $date and $address because these two were our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that they get replaced by the actual date and address sent by the user. Now we are going to curate a response for view packages, and for this I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add all the package details. Like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for sample work, and for this I'm going to access this media button from here, and here in the media type I'm going to select image, and here I'm going to drop an image of my sample work. Like this, and here you can add a caption if you want. And from add content, you can add multiple images. Choose image, and here drop another image if you want. And like this. And as caption, I'm going to enter my full portfolio sample link. This will appear like this to the user. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for photographer business. If you want to create the same, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.